Good afternoon. Hope you all are doing well, staying home and staying safe. This video is about the iGot portal that has recently been launched by the HRD Ministry on the Diksha platform. The objective of this integrated government online training portal is to training and capacity building of healthcare staff including doctors, nurses, paramedics, hygiene workers and technicians, stepping up the effort to fight coronavirus pandemic. This platform will provide training modules so that COVID response can be delivered at scale for the workforce needed to tackle the pandemic. Data regarding a large pool of doctors has been provided on the dashboard. The state governments as well as the district administration can use them for crisis management. Courses have been launched on this portal for doctors, nurses, paramedics, hygiene workers, technicians, auxiliary nursing midwives, state government officers, civil defense officers, police organization, National Cadet Corps, National Service Scheme, Indian Red Cross Society, Bharat Scouts and Guides, and other volunteers. The contents of these courses includes basics of COVID, management of COVID, clinical management, ICU care management, infection prevention, usage of PPE, training of cadets, psychological care of patients, pediatrics care and pregnancy care during the COVID. The new learning content is regularly added to the modules. This is the user guide for iGot. There are 7 steps to log into it. Now let's take a look into the Diksha platform, digital infrastructure knowledge sharing platform. It was inaugurated on Teachers Day 2017 by the Vice President of India. It is being used by more than 1 crore teachers and students across the country. It has explanation, practice, assessment, content linked to NCERT and state curriculums. It is well equipped to cater to unlimited demands of learning anytime, anywhere. It has been leveraged by the government to launch the iGot portal so that the vision of taking care of those who care for us can be fulfilled. This portal will provide agencies like healthcare departments with the ability to upload their content suited for its various users and to take training using mobile application. Thank you.